everyone, it's so good to see you again. I'm so excited to show you around the Moroccan office with my colleague Badra. Hi Badra, are you going to show us around today?
Sure, with great pleasure. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to Omnevo office in Morocco. We are here 18 people working alongside each other in open space. We have different services and departments. We have the QA, the development front end and back end, the Android development and iOS and DevOps as well. We have different areas in the office. We have here the working space. We have the fun part where we have pool table, place where to have fun and do stand-up and official meetings. We have meeting room, the kitchen. We will start our day by taking the breakfast. For me, I'm working here in charge of the development of the logistic part of the ERP, starting from the supply chain, moving on to the pick and pack, departure and the return, inventory and the reporting in that area of the ERP.
Hey Latifa, so what are you currently working on at Omnevo?
Currently, I am leading the testing effort for a project that focuses on enhancing our product's functionalities and features. My favorite aspect of working at Omnevo is this sense of purpose and impact, knowing that our work directly contributes to our customers' experience. This is incredibly fulfilling. This role is highly dynamic and it keeps me learning every day.
Hi Zakia, how are you?
I'm fine, what about you?
Good, thank you very much. What are you currently working on?
As an IT support manager here at Omnevo, among my responsibility that I am overseeing that everything is in track and in order, and also I'm focusing on the improvement of the process. And my goal here is to deliver a high customer satisfaction.
And what is your favorite thing about working at Omnevo?
My favorite thing working here is that the collaborative environment, and that everyone is committed to deliver the best customer satisfaction. I'm working with such individual talented people that I consider as my second family.
I'm the lead developer of the front end for the ILS and also handling the integration with some clients such as Akinio integration PIM and making the communication between the two systems.
That's so good. So aside from the pool, what is your favorite thing about working at Omnevo?
There is a lot to like while working at Omnevo, but mostly the positive team that we have here, also the stress-free environment where you are allowed to improve and innovate, also work on your skills.
And you have the pool and you also have a gym as well, right?
Yes, the pool, the gym, the coffee here is nice.
The coffee.
We have also PlayStations. We get to spend a lot of time.